Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, I am Zainal Abidin and you are watching Islamic Rahat 2 YouTube channel. Friends, the video of the Algerian Imam and the lovely cat traveled the world and achieved nearly 3 billion views. An Algerian Imam, Sheikh Walid Massas, became famous overnight. The cat climbed his shoulder during the Taraweeh prayers, and the gesture of Imam was very kind towards cat. Sheikh Walid Massas was born in Algeria and he is the Imam of Abu Bakr al-Siddiq Mosque in the eastern Algeria. Later, the Algerian Ministry of Religious Affairs honored Imam Walid Massas. Imam Walid showed mercy in dealing with the cat, climbed on his shoulder during the Ramadan Taraweeh prayers. Friends, in this beautiful video, a lovely cat jumping onto Imam. Imam's behavior was very kind with the cat. He pets it and makes its way to the shoulder. The lovely cat kissed the Imam on his cheek, then stays there for a few seconds, sniffing at his cheek and rubbing. But amazingly, all throughout, the Taraweeh prayers continues undisturbed. And surprisingly, the ayah of Quran, the ayah of first rak'ah, was going to finish. And the cat then climbs down his shoulder and jumps off just a second before the Imam and the worshippers behind him bend down for the ruku in the prayers. MashaAllah, what a Imam and what a lovely cat. May Allah shower His mercy on both of them. Please watch this beautiful and lovely video and share with your friends and relatives. Jazakallahu khairah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Malik Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين فإن كذبوك فقل ربكم ذو رحمة واسعة ولا يرد بأسه عن القوم المجرمين سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم حتى ذاقوا بأسنا قل هل عندكم من علم فتخرجوه لنا إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون قل فلله الحجة البالغة فلو شاء لهداكم أجمعين الله سمع الله